Hello, my name is Dr. Anup Nigwekar. I work at Emil Deore Memorial Homeopathic Institute, Palghar, Maharashtra, in the Department of Repertory. And I have been working over here since 2002. And this is a homeopathic postgraduate institution. And as a part of my teaching activity and my interactions with the students, I started to realize most of the students who enroll to the homeopathic institution are hard pressed to ensure that all the activities that are desired to be delivered by them in the course of their career of 3 years that they are associated with the institute, they are seriously hard pressed to deliver. And this bothers these students significantly. When I was interacting with the students way back around 10 years ago, I realized that most of these students are unable to define what is an activity they should involve themselves in. As an institution, we have a practice in which we conduct an induction program. And in this induction program, we ask the students to define their vision of their life and what is the role that this institution would play in helping them to achieve that vision. And I realized that these students, as they start conducting their day-to-day life, they seriously forget the vision that they enumerated when they began their association with the institute. When I realized that there is a disconnect between their visions as well as the activities that they are performing, and that is one of the reasons why they are unable to meet all the deliverables that are expected of them. I have been practicing time management for past many years in my personal life space. And I have been a very big fan of Mr. Stephen Covey, and I am so enamored by his book of 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. And the whole concept of time management that he attempts to share. I decided that that could be one good way of helping these students to bridge the gap between their vision and their activities that they are required to do so that they are achieving their vision in this association. I have been conducting time management sessions for the last at least 15 years in this institution for the students who are desiring to have less stress of life when they are associated with the institute. As I go on conducting these modules, I realized 3 basic things that I wish to share in this small clip that I propose to share with you. One is organizing priorities that are expected of you to deliver. Covey in his book has shared a matrix of urgent and important, not urgent and not important. It's a classical quadrant, and in my experience of interacting with most of these students, I realized that most of them are busy in the quadrant 4, and if there is time which they are really hard pressed for, they jump to quadrant 1. What is desirable is that we should focus on quadrant 2. This quadrant actually helps us to bridge the gap between the vision that we have and the activities that we do. In that book, he has referred Benjamin Franklin, and I was really surprised to read that reference. And when I read that reference, I was so fixed to the idea of reading the autobiography and biographies of Benjamin Franklin. In that book, Benjamin Franklin has very crisply narrated the value of 52 weeks that we have, and how does one ensure that he makes the best possible use of the 24 hours that each of the days, which comprise of 52 weeks, has to be utilized. He also has made an effort to emphasize on the issues of priorities. And one of the core priorities that he is very fixated about is the core values that you should as an individual inculcate, so that you are able to enumerate 13 such values that he identified he should master so that he is able to realize his dream. He says each value for 4 weeks, if it is religiously practiced, it will be mastered. So 52 weeks, 4 weeks for each, so 13 values. So 13 into 4 is 52. So one clue was realized. This is one more thing which I religiously emphasize, that students should identify and make an effort to pen it down and then persuasively follow the delivery and religiously ensuring that they follow the value for the 4 weeks in consistency. The third most important thing that I realized, that students, when they work, they don't work in isolation. And that is something that the book of Covey brings me to a very interesting perspective that is shared by Viktor Frankl, who is referred by Covey. The book that Dr. Frankl has written, Man in Search of Meaning, was an eye-opener for me. It really demonstrates the value of empathy and an effort of realizing how empathetic way of looking at life helps us to save a lot of time that typically gets lost in an effort to prove who is better of the two. Because today's world is full of teamwork. So if I have to deliver something, I have to ensure that I am in sync with the colleagues who are associated with me. So that aspect of team and the value of empathy, which is connected with the concepts of values which have to be practiced religiously and which in turn have to be identified to be fulfilling the quadrant 2, for me has made a very, very comprehensive whole of this concept of time management. And I have been teaching and training students, and many of them have religiously followed these concepts and they have changed their lives for sure. If you wish to learn more on these ideas and their implementations, do let us know on the email that we are providing at the end of the video, so a suitable module can be designed and shared with you all for everyone's enrichment and enhanced peaceful life. Thank you so much.